Compatible, cost-effective and compact, these features are combined in the cutting-edge gas spectroscopy system that has been developed, assembled and tested here at IHP together with the Institute of Optical Sensor Systems of the German Aerospace Center and Humboldt University Berlin. This innovative sensor system allows a cost-efficient verification of specific molecules in gases. For instance, the air of our exhaled breath gas can be analyzed in terms of their individual components. For the first time ever, a silicon germanium transmitter and receiver chip with integrated antennas is being utilized to achieve this, developed specifically for this purpose here at IHP. This permits high-resolution spectroscopic measurements in the ranges around 250 and 500 GHz. These measurements use a gas absorption cell between the transmitter and receiver modules. The integrated lenses facilitate a high antenna gain and focus the beam for an efficient result. This method has very wide-ranging and versatile potential thanks to its high sensitivity. In addition to possible applications in the safety field for the verification of toxic gases in the air, illnesses such as COPD and diabetes, for example, might be diagnosed non-invasively by means of an exhaled breath sample.